Hey there, and welcome to this video about how to make $1 million using ChatGPT. As a large language model trained by OpenAI, ChatGPT can be an incredibly valuable resource for entrepreneurs looking to start or grow their businesses. In this video, we'll share 7 free business ideas that you can use with ChatGPT to start making money right away. So without further ado, let's get started. Business idea number 1. Chatbot Creator. Chatbots are becoming increasingly popular among businesses looking to improve their customer service and automate their sales processes. As a ChatGPT user, you can create chatbots for businesses and charge them for your services. With the help of ChatGPT's natural language processing capabilities, you can build chatbots that are intelligent, responsive, and effective. And the best part? You don't need any programming skills to create a chatbot with ChatGPT. It's all done through natural language commands, making it easy for anyone to get started. Business idea number 2. Content Creator. If you love writing, you can use ChatGPT to create high-quality content for businesses. With ChatGPT's language generation capabilities, you can write blog posts, social media content, product descriptions, and more. You can even create entire ebooks or white papers using ChatGPT. As a content creator, you can charge businesses for your services, either on a per-word basis or a project basis. And with the help of ChatGPT, you can produce high-quality content quickly and efficiently. Business idea number 3. Social Media Manager. Social media is an essential part of any modern business's marketing strategy. As a ChatGPT user, you can leverage the platform's language generation capabilities to create social media posts for businesses. You can even use ChatGPT to schedule and post content on behalf of your clients. As a social media manager, you can charge businesses for your services on a monthly basis, helping them to increase their online presence and drive more traffic to their websites. Business idea number 4. Email Marketing Specialist. Email marketing is still one of the most effective ways for businesses to reach their customers. With ChatGPT, you can create email marketing campaigns for businesses that are engaging, informative, and persuasive. As an email marketing specialist, you can charge businesses for your services on a per-campaign basis, helping them to reach more customers and drive more sales. Business idea number 5. Digital Product Creator. If you have a great idea for a digital product, you can use ChatGPT to help you create it. With ChatGPT's language generation capabilities, you can write ebooks, create courses, and even develop software applications. As a digital product creator, you can sell your products online and make money through sales or subscriptions. And with ChatGPT's help, you can create products that are high quality, engaging, and informative. Business idea number 6. Language Translation Services. As a ChatGPT user, you can provide language translation services to businesses that need to communicate with customers or partners in different languages. With ChatGPT's language translation capabilities, you can translate text from one language to another quickly and accurately. As a language translation service provider, you can charge businesses for your services on a per-word or per-project basis, helping them to expand their reach and communicate effectively with people all around the world. Business idea number 7. Virtual Assistant. As a ChatGPT user, you can provide virtual assistant services to busy professionals or entrepreneurs who need help with administrative tasks. With ChatGPT's language generation capabilities, you can create email responses, schedule appointments, and even manage social media accounts on behalf of your clients. As a virtual assistant, you can charge businesses or individuals for your services on a per-hour or per-project basis, helping them to stay organized and productive. And there you have it, 7 free business ideas that you can use with ChatGPT to make $1 million. Thanks for watching. This is Sraboni from Mom and Son's Notebook, signing off. Remember, whether you're a writer, marketer, developer, or language enthusiast, there's something for everyone here. So why not give it a try and see what you can create with ChatGPT? If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. For now, bye, see you in the next video.